Good morning, students. Joyadash here. Today we will do question number 7 of 12.3. The question is very similar with question number 6. Simplify the expressions, these expression and find their values if x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1 and b is equal to -2. That means in one expression you can get 2-3 variables, maybe one variable also you can get, maybe 2-3 variables. So in that case you have to put the different values. Or if you are getting, see this question, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9, here the variables are only x, so you have to simplify it first. Simplify the expression first, you have to simplify, then putting value. Okay, start this question. 3x plus 5 minus 5. Now arrange them according to their like terms. 3x minus x, 3x minus x, and then minus 5 plus 9. Now what will be their value? 3x minus x, different sign, you need to subtract. So 3x minus x means 2x, and minus 5 plus 9, you will get, you do the subtraction, you will get 4 and larger number sign will come, so plus 4. This is your answer, first part is there, 2x plus 4. Next, putting value of x is equal to 3. The variable is x, you are putting the value of x is equal to 3. Now 2x plus 4, 2 into 3, 2 into the value of x is 3, 2 into 3 plus 4, what you are getting? 2 3s are 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So second answer, after putting value, the second answer is 10. Understood? First you have to simplify the question and then put the value, and what will be the answer, you have to show this. Next question is question number 4. Question is 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Here also the variable is b and same variable, so do the simplification only. Arrange them according to their like terms. 10 minus 4 minus 3b minus 5b. Now 10 minus 4, you know it is 6 because you need to do subtraction and larger number sign will come. Then minus 3b and minus 5b, same sign, you have to add them and the sign will come in front. This is your answer, 6 minus 8b. Now putting the value of b is equal to minus 2. Putting the value of b is equal to minus 2, we get 6 minus 8 into b. 8b means 8 into b. So 6 minus 8 into, what is the value of b? Minus 2. So minus 2. Next answer is equal to 6 minus into minus plus 8 to the 16, and your result is 16 plus 6 22. Understood? First you have to find the result of the simplification, and then in this answer you have to put the value. Next question is, now question number 5. 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Arrange them according to the like terms. Here two variables you can see here, one variable is a and another variable is b. So arrange them according to their like terms. So 2a plus a minus 2b and minus 4 and minus 5 means same sign, so you have to add them and this available sign will come in front. Next, if you simplify it, 2a plus a, 2a plus 1a, 3a, then minus 2b, minus 9. This is your answer. We can't do anything here extra because different variables, we can't do any simplification on it. So this is our result. Now putting value of a is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2, we get 2a, sorry, not 2a, 3a minus 2b minus 9. If you put the value of a is equal to minus 1, then 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into value of b is minus 2 and then minus 9. So what you will get now? Minus 3 into minus 1 means minus 3, 2 into 2, 4, minus into minus, plus 4, minus 9. So what you can get now? Minus 3 and minus 9, minus 3 plus 4 plus 1, minus 9, 1 minus 9, it will be 8, but the larger number sign will come in front. This is your answer. First answer is for simplification, 3a minus 2b minus 9, and second portion is when you are putting the value of these variables, then you will get the value of is minus 8. Now I will give you two small sums which you have to solve by your own. If you understand this, you can do it easily. Next question is, now very small two sums I have given here, which you have to, if you understand all these sums, then you have to do it by yourself. Solve this sum. First you simplify it and then put the value of a is equal to minus 1 because the variable is a here, and the value you have to put after simplifying, you have to put the value. Second question also, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. First you have to simplify it, then put the value of x is equal to 3. I hope you all understand whatever explanation I have given here. Thank you, students.